Yo, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, what's up? Today, it's a mega big badge. This is the Mercedes Benz GLA, but not the normal one. It's the facelifted 2024 model. So let's get right into it. Yes, sir.
So fresh, so clean. Big dreams, man, what you mean?
It's Smirk. Let us begin with the exterior. And the 2024 GLA, the facelifted GLA, gets some very subtle changes that you need a fine eye to see them. You get a revised front grille and front bumper that look superb, a new headlight design, and finally, LED high performance lights do come standard. This is a stunning looking vehicle. This has been kitted with the AMG line kit. You can see that it does not look like the normal one. It's standing out and it looks very, very nice. This is the Mercedes Benz badge. And Kokasi Bare did the big badge. Big badge just means because of this thing. It has a lot of power, this badge, eh? It's a big badge, but I know the car is not so big. If you are into SUVs, not everyone is into hatchbacks, so this is for people that are into SUVs but don't want too much big of an SUV, but just want something like this. This is the entry level into the Mercedes-Benz SUV segment. This is a premium crossover, and its rivals are the BMW X1, the Volvo XC40. I actually just reviewed the XC40 Recharge, the electric version, which the video is here. But yeah, it rivals that, the Stelvio and the Audi Q3. It's in quite a heavily contested segment, but I think this looks superb. Up here, AMG kit, so you get these vents for airflow. Your parking sensors and everything are down here. You get a little front lip, and the GLA rides on 19-inch wheels. It comes standard with 18-inch. This is the AMG kit, bigger wheels because it's a big badge. Let's be honest. If there's one thing I have to say about the exterior spec, this spec is too much. Black on black on black. All black, everything. Assassinate my character. When you come along the side, the whole design just flows and it blends into the body. It looks very nice. Keyless entry, like, of course, that goes without saying that you are going to get keyless entry on this premium car. Coming to the rear has also been redesigned with new taillights, and you get a rear diffuser and an electric tailgate. It's not the biggest boot, but it's fairly spacious. This car is a looker. And to describe the exterior, I'll use my favorite word, clean. Stepping inside, you're first reminded what you're driving. The cabin is very premium, and I'm a big fan of these suede cloth AMG leather seats. They hug your body so nicely and are extremely comfortable. You don't get one, but two 10.25-inch displays that are very crisp. This is an option though. It comes standard with a 7-inch and a 10.25-inch display. You don't get that central touchpad anymore. It's just an open space for, I don't know, your card or whatever. 2 cup holders, wireless cell phone charging, and where you can change your driving modes. This AMG steering wheel is too much. Flat bottom, haptic feedback buttons, and yeah, no. Holding it just gives you that feeling of, yeah, I'm driving a car here. The AC controls are physical buttons or knobs, and the air vents are in typical Mercedes fashion. At the back, it's surprisingly spacious, and you do get the same type of premium seats and finishes with 2 Type-C charging ports here in the rear as well. I don't think I mentioned, but under the armrest, there are 2 more Type-C charging ports, and there is no USB port in the whole car. There's a massive double panoramic sunroof and ambient lighting, which you can change. This was my favorite color, and this ambient lighting is too much. If your crush ever posted a snap like this, hi Baba, move on. This is not your fight anymore. You also get traffic light view where you can see the robots and yeah, the cameras do their things. These are the controls for the electric seats. Push this back, seat goes back. You want to lean back, seat leans back. Push this forward, seat goes forward. If you're wondering what the numbers mean, it's for the memory seat. So if you press M and whichever number, it will save these settings into memory. So if someone else comes and changes the way you sit, when you just get in, and once you're in the car, all you do is press 3 or whatever number you'd have saved it as, and boom, the seat goes to whichever setting you saved. Under the bonnet, the GLA 200d is powered by a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine with a 48-volt mild hybrid technology, which helps in fuel consumption. You can get a claimed range of up to 800 kilometers. Driving efficiently, and Mercedes Benz say you can expect fuel consumption figures of 5.1 liters per 100 kilometers. The power this engine produces is 110 kilowatts and 320 Newton meters of torque. I've been enjoying the drive. This diesel engine is the pick of the bunch and the one to get. It's torquey, it's punchy, and it's super comfortable. Feels very nice driving it. Thank you. Someone was just greeting me. My only drawback with the way the GLA drives has to be the suspension, because it is very stiff. And I think it's because I also recently drove the Volvo XC40 Recharge, the electric version, and that one was very smooth, very soft, and I just expected this, the premium GLA, which is also in the premium crossover segment, to be giving me that experience, but it's quite hard and harsh on bumps. But otherwise, you do get the thrill, because I feel like this car was tuned to be more dynamic. When you're driving it on a corner, it gives you such a nice feeling and it gives you confidence, and that's what I like about it. That's what overlooks like all the bad side. You're like, you know what, but when it's time to have fun, it's actually cool. But you will probably mostly be driving this in comfort mode or eco mode, because this 200d is very fuel efficient. Show. The GLA 200d is priced at 980,000, just under that R1,000,000 mark. And I think my verdict and my final say, have they cooked? Are they cooking, or are they cooked? It's quite pricey compared to the competition, which makes it a car that you will need some time to consider your options, or you need to be a Mercedes Benz lover to actually consider it over the competition money wise. But I think they are cooked because of the pricing. This is an amazing car. It's an amazing offering. It drives well everywhere you go. Like everywhere I've been, everyone was asking, "Yo, is this such a nice car? Hey, oh, this is a nice car." It's so many compliments left and right. You guys get big badge. But at the end of the day, the pricing is why I say they are cooked, and they are not cooking, or they haven't cooked. And that has to be it. But if it was priced differently, priced more competitively compared to the competition, then that would make a whole lot more sense. But that has been me, B-Smirk. Thank you for continuously liking. Thank you for commenting and helping the channel grow. I appreciate you all. Please just continue showing love, and I really do appreciate it. More videos coming soon. Peace out.
So fresh, so clean.